Oh my god, it finally hit. Those are not bad too. 6 1/4, 25. I don't know what those are, but hey, we got a bonus. Let's drop some. Alright everyone, we're gonna get started on 10-cent denom, $300 ticket, do some $5 bets and see what can happen on Lightning Link Tiki Torch. Oh, I thought that was going to start with a bonus. That would have been sick. That's 2 back-to-back. There we go. There we go. Need 6 of the fire or 3 of those guys. Man, those are nice. Ooh, that's the best symbol too. 3? Okay, pick a lane. Oh my god, it keeps putting 2 out there. It's completely trolling. Alright, we're good at getting 2. Go, baby. Nice. 27 bucks there. Best symbol gives me $1.20. Can we get a 3-stack? Come on. Can we... Ooh. That was 100 right there. Two. Oh. That had chances. Okay. Oh my. I am getting teased so hard right now. One more, damn it. You don't want to, do you? You're like, nope. Come on, buddy. What in the world? Come on. Can we... Okay, there's some money back. And I have a love-hate with that lava bonus. It is one of those... Guys, awesome. Come on, buddy. Oh, just one away. There we go. Little up, down, little up, down. Come on. Bum, beam, bum. One more, come on. Ah! How many times a 2 are you gonna do that? Do it. Sir, that was needed a couple spins ago, sir. That's a good $50 hit. Can you now get in some type of bonus, please? Like, get the shit out of here. There was one right there and one right there that tried. super close. Please. Man. Three. Come on. Just struggling to get these to hit here. Alright, no luck there. Alright, we're gonna get started with some $5 bets here. Oops, I thought that was just gonna change it. This is Tiki Torch. And we got a $500 ticket. Let's see if we can land 6 of those orbs or 3 Tikis. Very nice. 25 bucks there. Line hits are key. Oh, 6 orbs are keyed. Okay, if you would have showed up in the last set there, sir. Just saying. Not sure if that's in your agenda or not. That was a major that just flew by. That was looking very nice. Come on, buddy. Oh, the 5 stack of fun. 5. Bump, bump. Nice, good 5, good 5, good 5. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Ah, man. I'm gonna try let's do the $5 on the 2 cent. See if that gives us any luck. Oh, shit. Come on. I've had so many volcano attempts. It's like actually kind of frustrating. I don't even know how to say this. It's like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. High 2 volcano stacks. There's a 5-bagger. on down. Can you get friends? Potentially. Oh my god, another 5 stack? Hey, at least that last one was money back. Alright, fine. I'm gonna do some 6 1/4. Because we're going to the 5 cent. See if that'll hit. Oh my god, it finally hit. Those are not bad too. 6 1/4, 25. I don't know what those are, but hey, we got a bonus. Let's drop some words, baby. I seen a 2,500 in there. Drop that 2,500, baby. Oh, the minor is worth 62.50. Drop that in there, whatever the hell that's worth. Please bring that back. Don't die. Okay. Well, it's worth a couple bucks. $118. All right. Switch it back to the 1 cent and do some more $5 bets here. Come on, baby. Let's get a bonus. Bunk, bunk. Yes! 10, 20, 30, 40, 65. Because of that. Let's get something here. Big balls, big balls. Bring those words out. Alright, another 20. Ooh, 100 just flickered by. Last spin. Nice, good 50. $20. $25. Let's make it bigger. Last spin. Where are you whacking it? Oh. I mean, this should be okay. Not bad. $185 on top of 185 puts me at 368. Drop it to 250 and do a couple here and call it a night. I don't want to take and lose this whole thing. Hopefully you enjoyed this session on $5 and 6 $25 bets. We'll cut this off at, call it 350. 350 will be my number. Come on. I thought we had it. All right, we'll do a $2 bet here. And, we got enough for $1.50. And that's all she wrote.